How to edit caption on your Instagram Reels. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, tap on Instagram. Now go on your desired post that you want to edit your caption on. Once you tap on your post, it will now show you the three dots which is on your top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now tap on the option called Edit. Once you tap on Edit, it will automatically show you a box where you can write your caption. Now write whatever you want and tap on the Done. In this way, you can edit your caption on your Reels on your Instagram. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to share this with your friends. Thank you.